Yeah, Jamie, about an hour and 45 minutes until he leaves Mar-a-Lago, that you can see just behind me. So the countdown is very much underway. He'll then be driving the 3 miles, a short distance, to West Palm Beach International Airport, and he'll be leaving there at 12:20 local time. It's a 2-hour, 10-minute flight to LaGuardia, New York. He'll then head to Trump Tower to spend the night before he gets ready to arrive at 11 a.m. local time Tuesday for that 2:15 court appearance. That is according to the schedule. All of it could change, but that is what we're expecting from Donald Trump over the next few hours. We've had a few supporters out here over the last couple of hours, but not many. Media certainly outnumbers the number of people who've come out to show their support. But of course, security is very tight at the other end of all of this in New York City. We've already seen the police, the FBI, the special security services working to block off roads, put up security barriers, not just outside the courthouse, but also at Trump Tower. There is an expectation that we will see protests and potentially his supporters also out on the streets. They want to make sure that all of this runs very smoothly, considering they're trying to get an ex-president into a courthouse without any problems.
Nick, this case isn't Donald Trump's only legal headache. The former president also the focus of other state and federal investigations.
Yeah, you're right, Jamie. And those ones potentially more serious than this one, which essentially relates to business fraud, accounting practices. We've got a probe in Georgia looking to his attempts to try and overturn the 2020 election. There's a special prosecutor looking into the classified documents found in Mar-a-Lago that he allegedly took from the White House after he left. And, of course, there is that investigation looking into his role in the lead-up to and on the day of the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol. Those last two are the federal investigations and could carry much more serious penalties should he be charged with any crimes and should those come to trial.
Nick, what do his supporters make of all of this? I mean, does it embolden them, or is there a sense that his star is waning?
Well, the ones who have been out here throughout the weekend, I've been here and I've been talking to them, they are certainly galvanised. They're passionate. They really feel that this indictment is a way of the Democrats launching yet another political attack on the man that they feel should be back in the White House next year. They say it's a witch hunt, echoing Donald Trump's own words, and they say that really it's only because they want to discredit his campaign. They've become emboldened, they've become impassioned by all of this, and they want to show his support. Opinion polls, also interesting to note, out yesterday showed that more Republican voters are now backing Donald Trump. They feel over any other candidate who may run for the nomination for the Republican Party next year, they feel that Donald Trump is the man who should get that nomination, despite all of these investigations and now these criminal charges that he's facing.
Nick, thanks for that. Our correspondent Nick Harper in Florida.